this is one of the best XP farms as well as Torgue token farms in Borderlands 2. If you give us like and subscribe if you thought this was helpful. This is good for leveling up yourself as well as other players. Basically, it's quite gear dependent, so basically what you want to have is 2 North fleets, preferably a fire and a shock one, a low-level Logan's gun, and the other slot doesn't matter, but you can put in Barter Booms just for rocket jumping here faster. You want a 94 Sham. Any class mod will do, but the legendary ones are better. Bones for the Ancients just for the incendiary damage, and the Shock Stormfront is also good, which is a modded grenade. So basically you want to come to Pyropete's Bar, which is through the Torgue DLC, and then you want to grab this mission here, which is called the Tier 3 Bar Room Blitz, and you get here through the beatdown, which is on your map once you've played through the campaign. So basically you want to shoot yourself with the Sham for rockets. So you have infinite rockets, and you basically just want to kill everyone in this room. So I'll sign in my other character as well, just so you can see the XP. So if you're doing like a fresh character, basically I just spam these grenades around. And also, this is my build right here. If you wanted to know about that. And all you do is just kill these guys, and you can keep resetting the mission, and they drop Torgue tokens, and basically once you run out of ammo, shoot yourself with the Logan's gun, and then you've got infinite rockets. But yeah, it took like a minute or so, and he's already like level 10. And then they basically drop these Torgue tokens just for the vending machine, and you can get unkept heralds and co-blasters, etc. which you can buy. And yeah, once you complete the barroom blitz, you also get Torgue tokens from that and XP as well, and you can just basically just keep repeating this. So just make sure you go to the beatdown, get through the Torgue DLC, and then come to Pyropete's Bar. Have the 2 North fleets, low level Logan's gun, a Sham. Everything else doesn't matter, but of course having that extra incendiary damage as well as this grenade's good, and the class mod, but it's not necessary. But these 4 items are. But yeah, if you thought this was helpful, you can firstly like and subscribe, and I'll bring out some more content, hopefully some Borderlands 4 when I get around to it, and yeah.